My first goal is to be a good person. I think that's just the biggest thing. Reno helps me thrive doing that. You can take a 30-minute drive and you're in the forest, you're in the woods. You never know what you're gonna find. From the student standpoint, I want to get a good education, and I think the University of Nevada is a great place to get that education. And on the baseball side, it's my dream. You know, it's a big year for me. Me personally, I want to get drafted. Of course, I think that's everyone's goal. I think Reno Tahoe is a place where you can build a life and not just a degree. I'm 30 minutes away from Tahoe. It's beautiful over there. You look around and you see all those big trees and you know the clear water. It's special. Me taking care of myself on and off the baseball field it's really important. Hello! I think bowling is one of the things where you can just relax and just have fun. If you're doing bad, it's because you did bad. You know, if you're doing good, it's because you did good. But also getting away and fishing by myself, just reflecting on the great time it's been in Reno. Reflecting on the memories that I've made, reflecting on the connections I've made, just be me. That's gonna help me be the best version of myself. I think that's just great. Between the city and the great outdoors, there's really no limits to what you can do in Reno Tahoe.